Take a few snaps. Have a few beers. Stand out in the rain. Just sing along. Watch a movie. Run a marathon. Make a snowman. Walk in the woods. Learn to juggle. Climb a mountain. Get away from it all. Sail your boat. Fly the flag. Search beneath the waves. Take a selfie. Ride a big one. It's dark out there. Guess who's rich? What can I do in the woods? Scared? Who? Me? It's over there. You've got 5 minutes. Do you fancy a pizza? Wake up. Here's one I made earlier. See if you can do any better. England, I've been there. Florida, never been there. I'll get the bill. I'm working on it. What's cooking? I'm just a wise old bird.
Big Ben. Crown jewels. English Bobby. Letterbox. Lord's Cricket Ground. London Eye. London Bus. Tower Bridge. London Cab. Buckingham Palace. Top Hat. Telephone box. Tea at the Ritz. Household Cavalry. Royal Mail. Union Flag.
How do you get to work? I usually go by bus. How do you like your tea? Milk and 2 sugars, please. How about some lunch? That would be great. How long will you be in Paris? Oh, just a few days. How far is it to London? Only an hour by train. How about a day by the sea? I'll take my bucket and spade. How long have you been learning French? Just a couple of months. How much did you have to drink last night? I can't quite remember.